the ground. I believe it's on the ground, Kelly.
Yeah. Hang on. Nope. Power flashes.
Power flash.
Mike, get in.
Get in, Mike.
Man, you need to see this hail in my stream right now.
I can see the ground. I can see the debris there on the ground. Look there, it's funneling. Look there, look at it.
No, now calm down, Randy. You're okay. You gotta stay calm.
West.
It's gonna cross the road. Go there, right?
It's on the ground.
Holy crap.
We've got another tornado on the ground.
Copy that, Kelly. Yeah, I got your stream up.
A severe thunderstorm capable
Okay,
of
Randy,
producing a
listen.
tornado was
You know,
located
stay right here.
in
Don't move, don't move. Just stay right
25
here.
miles per hour.
Take your breath. What we're gonna do? You see here how you can turn around?
It's getting bigger, it's getting
That's
bigger.
okay. We're just gonna watch it here a minute. This is the shot. No, don't move the truck. Hang on, Randy. We turned around. We're headed back south.
That's a good idea, because that one that's on your west side here is going to go right over top of you. Don't get out of there.
Yes, this is Kelly Williamson. I'm with the Weather Channel. We're southwest of Dodge City, about 9 miles. We've got a tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. Okay, this is... No, don't move, Randy. Stay right here. You're okay. Twin tornadoes on the ground. Yes, we've got a tornado on the ground right now. We need to go left road option, but there's not one.
There it is right there. There's another one on the ground. There it is. You got it? That's bigger than the other one.
We got another one on the ground that's bigger than all of them. Dodge City needs to take cover. It's moving pretty much to the north. It might go to the west of Dodge City, but it is going to the north.
Not far enough. Right up there.
Tornado on the ground. Okay, there it is.
There it is.
Kelly, what's your location?
Look at that one. Look.
Look at that wave coming. I don't see it now.
I do.
Do you?
Yeah. I do.
We've got a tornado on the ground. Let's roll, let's get on it.
See that pipe right there, Mike? Yeah. I think I can fit in it.
Bet you make yourself. Maybe you should practice.
Yeah. Don't try coming in there.
Okay, look right in front of us now. Go that way. I think it is. Get down there. And it's getting ready to go down again. We're southwest of Dodge City with a tornado on the ground. Oh, you can, Randy. Mike, let's go. It's really starting to wrap up good. Get right on into town fast as you can, Randy. There's no roads until we get through town. Yeah, she's on the ground. I'll prefer that.
Look at it right there. Got it?
Yep, I got her.
Holy crap.
May have a possible tornado up there.
There it is. It's on the ground. Look. On the ground. It's just coming straight down.
Yeah.
Looks like it's snowing. Yeah. I'm gonna get some getting out.
Right quick, there's a tornado right there. Trying to run right over his truck, over his cherries. There's the tornado.
Getting slick.
Severe thunderstorm.
It's going to the ground.
Producing a tornado was low.
Go right at it. I think we might have a tornado. We do. That is a tornado. We got a tornado on the ground.
At 25 miles per hour.
Holy crap, look at that. Hang on. Hang on. Holy crap.
Rapid rotation there.
Right there. Right there. I can see it. It's on the ground.
Okay, we're going to take the next road to the left, so watch for it.
Oh, look. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. I think we've got a, not 100% sure, but I think we could have a tornado on the ground.
Which way is it going, Ken?
Go to the left. It's going that way.
Tornado. I hope this thing isn't hit anything. Kelly did it this time.
Yeah, can't talk right now, right on top of it. It's just on the other side of the trees.
Just get Randy a little right here. Okay. Yeah, slow down. Let's get it back. I can see the bottom.
Okay, keep it straight. Okay, it is on the ground.
Currently the hail icon is 3¼ inches, 100, 100. The two relevant.
Just go easy.
There is no easy. It's just slick. I mean, this is like.
Okay, just stay on it. We're doing well. Yeah, we got it. We got it. It's coming down again. We've got it right here. We got another one. Oh, we got 2 tornadoes. Look at that. Wow. Now that is something. That is a soft hail.
Tornado warning for southwestern Cimarron County, the Panhandle of Oklahoma. Until 5 p.m. CB at 0.36 p.m. CB. A confirmed tornado is located 5 miles northwest of Phelps or 20 miles west of Boise City, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour.
Stop.
So that,
Holy crap.
oh wow.
Let's go on up there, Randy. Well, let's see. These darn trees. It's moving. Yeah, let's go down this road. We're gonna be a little safe.
There it is. I think it's getting bigger. I think it's coming kind of towards us.
Turn on the road facing it right over here. Keep going.
It's fixing to do it again, Kelly.
This hail is soft. It's not hard. You don't hear it hitting the truck, but it's big and soft. Now roping out. We got twin tornadoes. Go, Randy. This is something you don't get much.
There it is. Hey, come down, look at the little tail.
See that? The tornado's one bottom.
Let me move away from it just a little bit.
There it is.
Just keep on going. We got a house right now. It's coming right at a house.
Sure that ain't somebody just throwing snowballs at you?
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Tearing up stuff. Look.
Yeah.
We got damage.
Okay. We're gonna go to the edge of the circulation. Keep going. We're right on the edge of the circulation right now. It just hit something. There's a house up here. I think it may have just took out a house up here. Not really sure.
Look at all the debris.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go
man.
straight. This road dead ends.
Boy, I'm seeing another area rotation coming your
Yeah,
way.
you can go straight.
You might want to get south.
Keep going, we'll see what we've got. Oh, it's a home. Get up to that house. Get up to that house.
Looks
If
like
this stuff gets hard, you'll think snowballs here in a minute. This stuff will be big.
kind of pushing right.
Get to that house real quick.
It's shoving our butt in right now, Charlie.
Go ahead, get it. Going around. Hurry.
Oh my God.
There, tornado on the ground.
Right there.
See it?
Yeah, I can see it right there. Right there to the right.
Yeah. Oh, go ahead, straight ahead, go.
Where's it going? Sure.
Wait, hold it. Just a minute. Wait. Is that coming this way?
I'm pretty damn sure it is going to cut off.
Wait, ready, go straight. It's going to the right. Get right beside it, right? Just hold up. Don't just stop right here. Just hold right here.
Right there it is. It's rotating right there.
Just a second. Hang on just 1 second. We got a tornado right on us. Let's get down that road, Randy, and get an exit right there.
Sure.
Yeah, go out
Do we
there.
have an exit down there?
Yeah, go. We are right now. The tornado is just about 200 yards. Hold it right here, Randy. About 200 yards, maybe 100 yards to our south, rotating in the field right now.
Tornado warning for southwestern Fort County and southwestern Kansas.
I think it's on the ground, Kelly.
Yeah.
On the ground. Looks like it.
Man, I have never seen nothing like this.
That thing's about on the ground. That is one huge walkout.
Kelly Cannon is right there. That goes. We're headed.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm starting to see some rotation right there, right close to you.
There's a lot of rotation right in front of us, Barry.
I just got a new scan, there sure is. I'm also seeing 67-mile-an-hour winds at 5,800 feet.
Let's go back, turn around.
Tell me when I can cut it.
Wait, two tight areas of rotation. One's just about on top of you, just maybe off to your right. The other one's right off to your left. Got a new scan, Kelly. That rotation's almost right on top of you.
We're going south as hard as we can. We're kind of putting some distance on us now. Getting real high winds right at the moment. Keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, you're doing good. That gas I'm spilling, propane.
Yeah. Look at these.
We got power lines down. Power lines down. I'm spilling propane.
Bad.
Real bad propane smell. Very bad. Something's got hit. Just don't get any trees to our right.
Trying to get one. See.
Yeah. Well, there's something right behind us, Randy. Stop, look back here real quick. We may have something. Can you tell if that's rotating or not? You gotta look. It's right behind us. It's back. It's going up. That may be it right. Look at it going up right there. Right behind us.
Yep.
Tornado
Yep.
24. Southwestern
I think
County,
it stopped.
Central Kansas. Northwestern Pawnee County in South Central Kansas. Southwestern Trego County in West Central
I guess
Kansas.
I'll get out.
Northeastern Lane County.
Right there, Mike. Back to this driveway right here.
Yeah, back in. This thing's getting ready to go up right here. When we turned around, it was there, wasn't it?
Dang right it was there. It's a good thing you was in the truck, because if you'd have been out, I might have left you.
Look at it rotate. Yeah, it's rotating right now. Look at that, dude. It's wedging out again. Let's get up here and we're going to stop and get out of the truck for just a minute. So get ahead of it a ways.
Kelly, I know you're busy. Just got informed that on an NWS chat, they're watching your stream from Topeka.
How often you get one like this?
Oh, a couple times a week. Whoop, stop, funnel cloud, right there. Behind us. Just about to look at it. Look at my stream, got one. Right here, I'm afraid these houses right here. Get on up there, Randy. These houses, it's gonna go behind them. It's gonna go behind them. Thank God. This is the churner. Okay, we got the other one is on the ground again. Yeah, you seeing what I've got? Got a funnel. I've had it for a while. Maybe get back to the ground.
There's another one right there.
We're two
Another
of them.
one right there.
Oh, we got two of them.
Two of them, see them? One there and
We
one
got
there.
two. One on the ground. We're Devil's Lake, just to the north.
Oh, you got twins.
What you gotta do right down through here is watch the power lines. We're going down through here. Poles are all up right now. On this chunk.
Barely, I went north to get away from it. It's huge. Absolutely huge.
Gotta get it. That's a monster wedge. Like, go that way, Randy. Fuck, get hell that way, straight ahead. Just lay it on.
Hang on.
Put your seatbelts on.
I can't, I'm driving.
Okay.
Joey, I don't see any inflow. Is it just
Go
turning?
on, Randy. Let's get up there. We can't go straight, can we? Is that road?
Well, no, it's a field.
I mean, look at that big dude.
I know it. I'm telling you, we need to be very careful here.
Yeah, we're going to be. Jump in, Mike. We're going to try to cross the field. Go that road. It may come out right over there at the other road.
I'm in.
We had 2 tornadoes and 1 funnel at the
I
same
think
time.
this one's still-
Right off and get on it. Watch the power. Oh, hope we don't hit that house. It's okay. Okay, slow down.
We're getting some pretty heavy winds right here. Look at it right there. Got it?
Yep, I got her.
Holy crap.
We're gonna go straight on through this. It's on the ground, still churning.
Wow. Holy crap, look at that. Tell you what, that was nip and tuck there for a minute, Mike.
At
Holy
0656
crap. There it is.
Yeah, it's back there, what?
Ain't that far. Behind us.
It's
coming right down.
That's okay. No, just turn toward it.
In south central Kansas, eastern Kiowa County, and
Turn
south
toward it, Randy.
Turn towards it?
No, you stop right here.
It's coming right down.
Hang on, Randy.
A severe thunderstorm
Hang
capable
on.
of producing a tornado was
Hey, you better move!
Stop.
At 25 miles per hour.
They're seeing it. Okay, Randy. We're in a good spot.
Yeah, these idiots gonna knock us in.
6561.
Holy crap! Holy crap! Look at that! Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at that.